Welcome to Gravity E-Waste Management, your trusted partner for office dismantling services. Introduction: Gravity E-Waste Management is a leading provider of office dismantling services across India, offering professional, eco-friendly solutions tailored to your business needs. With years of expertise, we specialize in dismantling corporate offices, IT hubs, hotels, factories, and hospitals nationwide. Whether you're relocating, renovating, or closing down, our end-to-end dismantling services ensure a seamless and hassle-free process. Why Gravity E-Waste Management is your best choice: expert dismantling contractors, nationwide services, eco-friendly and CPCB compliant, minimal downtime with maximum efficiency. Discover our comprehensive services: end-to-end office dismantling solutions, corporate office dismantling, IT office dismantling, hotel and hospitality dismantling, factory dismantling, hospital dismantling, and eco-friendly waste recycling. We handle it all with precision and sustainability. Safety and compliance: our team is extensively trained in dismantling protocols, risk assessment, and the proper handling of materials, including hazardous components. Equipped with personal protective equipment, PPE, such as helmets, gloves, and safety vests, our professionals prioritize both their safety and the safety of your site. Our completed projects across India dismantled a 85,000 square feet office, including IT infrastructure and furniture, with eco-friendly waste management. Before and after: warm shell floor clearance services, transforming occupied office spaces into clean, open floors ready for the next phase. Future trends in waste management: effective waste management is essential for achieving environmental sustainability. Thank you for your attention. Call us for expert office dismantling services.